Welcome friends once again to Mathscitement. In this video we are going to understand how to use the protractor correctly to measure an angle, because a lot of us are having confusion about how to use the protractor. So let's begin. So you will see on a protractor there are two rows with numbers. So the confusion relates to mostly these two rows, which one to point. So there's one thing that first you need to understand, and that is about rays. So when you talk about angles, we generally talk in the sense of rays. As you know, a ray has an endpoint and has one endpoint, and the other end keeps on extending. It doesn't stop. So this is what you need to keep in mind while measuring an angle or drawing an angle. You need to check where the endpoint is, which one is the endpoint, and which is the part that extends. So let's take the first example. So I'm going to place the center of the protractor over the vertex. Vertex is the common endpoint where the two rays meet, and this ray extends to the right hand side. So let's place the protractor over the vertex. The ray extends to the right hand side. So what does that mean? It means that on the protractor we need to look at the zero written at the right hand side. You will notice there are two zeros, one at the left, one at the right. So you will need to look at the zero in that direction, in the same direction as the ray extends. So the ray extends towards the right hand side in this case. So we are going to look at the zero on the right hand side. This is the first step. Now we need to follow this zero. Wherever it takes us, this zero takes us to the 50 degrees mark. So you see the other arm has or extended till 50 degrees. So you are going to measure an angle. First look at where the ray is extending. If it's extending to the right hand side, look at the zero at the right hand side, then follow it. Follow that row. So here I found that the angle measures 50 degrees. We have another angle here. Let's place the center at the vertex. The ray extends to the right hand side, so we'll look at the zero at the right hand side and we'll follow it. It takes us to 120 degrees mark. So this angle measures 120. Now let's come to this case. Now here you see the ray on the left hand side. This is the first thing you need to notice. The ray extends to the left hand side. So we need to look at the zero at the left hand side, and then we are going to follow it. It takes us to the 50 degree mark. So this angle measures 50. Okay. So I am going to measure this rays extends to the left hand side. We are going to follow the 0 at the left. So it shows us a 120-degree mark. So this angle measures 120. So I hope you found this video useful. Do like, subscribe, comment and share the video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.